video today, I'm going to practically show you how to make insecticide. And honestly, I step out to go get for myself insecticide, especially this sniper, because mosquitoes are so stubborn these days, especially with a compound like mine where there are a lot of grass and all that. So I decided, Kai, why did I now study chemical engineering if I cannot make all those things by myself? That is why now, today, I'm going to show you how to make insecticide. Here are the ingredients that we're going to use. The first with me right here is a container. The second is my face mask, my nose mask, and then a gloves, all right? And then the ingredients, which is number one with me right here is industrial camphor, which is 2 grams. The second with me right here is extractor, which is 25 ml. The third with me right here is formalin, which is 125 ml. And the fourth with me right here is methanol, which is 100 ml. And the fifth with me is color. So to do this is actually very simple. So please, before we go into practical, as I am trying to fix my nose mask, you should always know that it is very important you put your safety gloves. So I can't find my safety gloves, so I've just used this nylon gloves. All right, so please, I have done a lot of videos. I have videos on how to make hand sanitizer, how to make Dettol, how to make room freshener, how to make liquid soap. I also have videos on how to make conditioner and much more. And at the same time, I have an ebook that has contained all of this and much more: bar soap, perfume, oil perfume, and all that. So the ebook is not free. You can buy it. I'll drop the link in the description of this video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is this. So meanwhile, when I'm doing this, all these ingredients cost 1,500 naira when I'm doing this. And another easy thing is that even if you are a newbie, if you go to make it, once you go to chemical shop, just tell them you want to make sniper, which is the name we usually call it here in Nigeria, or you can equally tell them that you want to make an insecticide. So but tell them if you want it stronger, tell them you want it stronger, and they should label it for you so that you know mix up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my 2 gram camphor into this Ragolis rubber. Please make sure you use gloves. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I will put my extractor, 25 ml. So when I put this extractor, I'm going to cover it and mix it. Like, you need to mix it for like 2 minutes, okay? You mix it until when you see that it is melted. All right. So the next thing I'm going to put is my formalin, which is 125 ml. Okay. So once I put this, I'm going to also shake it for another 2 minutes. So you keep shaking it. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So this is part of our entrepreneurship, because I went to the popular markets in my vicinity under Karo local government in Nasarawa State, which is Masaka. The other day, a lady saw me talking and she ran to hug me, and I was so excited, knowing fully well that she learned how to make shampoo and conditioner from this channel. So I'm so grateful, and that's why I'm doing this. And I've been receiving a lot of thank you messages as well from people that watch this channel, learn how to do perfume. Now they have opened their own mini production company. So thank you so much. Please give this video a like, go ahead and share. So the next thing I'm going to put is my methanol, which is 100 ml. All right, once I put it, sorry, don't mind me, I didn't cover my nose, but you have to cover your nose, okay? So you have to shake it for then another 2 minutes. So once that is done, the last but not least is color. That is, if you really want it to be colorful, most especially if you are the type that maybe you are doing it for sale, okay? But like me, if I'm using it for the house, I don't usually like using color. All right, but you can actually put a little pinch of color, like this one now is color yellow, if you want to give it a color. But me, I don't like putting color though, it depends. So I just put a little pinch, just a little. I don't usually like color, honestly, so me, I do leave my own like that. And voila, we are done. This is how to make your own insecticide. So you can decide not to put color, just like me. I don't like color, but I just put this a little bit so that you can see how it's done. Okay, so please, if you have any question, ask. If you enjoy my channel, please give me a like, subscribe. If you have any question, ask. If you want to learn how to make shampoo, if you cannot find the video in the description of this video, please go ahead and ask me in the comment section. If you want me to, if there's anything you want me to do a practical video on this, like this one, let me know in the comment section. The higher I see the number of people that want to learn a particular thing, the more I'm going to select that particular thing to teach you how to make. Thank you so much, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.